Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video presentation is about our GUI mini project for CSC435 Object-Oriented Programming. It is prepared for Sir Muhammad Nizam Osman. Next one, let me introduce our group members. First of all, we got Aiman Hakim, Ku Muhammad Fitri, Muhammad Azri, and me myself, Fajrul Farihin.
Now we are moving to the objective of the project. First is user-centric design. In crafting our GUI interface for online clothes shopping, our primary focus is to elevate the user experience by seamlessly blending intuitive navigation, visually appealing layouts, and smooth interactions. By prioritizing user comfort, we aim to replicate the familiarity of in-store clothes shopping. Our design strategy revolves around creating an interface that not only guides users effortlessly through their visual shopping journey, but also engage them visually, ensuring a delightful and user-friendly experience. The result is an online platform that not only meets but exceeds expectation of in-store clothes shopping, bringing convenience and style to the fingertips of our users. Besides that, shopping cart functionality. Our user-centric design approach extends to the transaction process, where we empower users to effortlessly manage their shopping cart, seamlessly add, remove, and modify items with intuitive features like quantity adjustments. Enjoy the convenience of real-time subtotal calculations and stay in control with detailed order summaries. We have meticulously crafted an interface that users ensure a smooth and efficient shopping experience, putting the power of customization at your fingertips. Your transaction journey is not just a process, but personalized, user-driven experience tailored for utmost convenience and satisfaction. Lastly is documentation and code quality. Provide comprehensive documentation outlining the project architecture, design, choice, and implementation details. Emphasize clean and well-documented code practice to ensure maintainability and ease of collaboration within the development team.
Next part, I will explain the list of methods that we use in this mini project. There are several methods we use. One of these is default constructor. We use default constructor because it is a constructor with no parameters. It is used to create an object with default values or perform any necessary setup when an object is instantiated. Next one is a normal constructor. A normal constructor, also known as a parameterized constructor, take a parameters to analyze the object with specific values at the time of creation. It allows you to create object with customized initial state, providing flexibility and ensuring that the object is ready for use immediately. Next one is setter method. Setter method are used to modify the values of private field. After the object has been instantiated, they allow you to update the state of an object dynamically. Next one for getter method. Getter method are used to retrieve the values of private field. They allow control access to the initial state of an object without exposing the detail of. Next part, I will explain the list of methods. Our last two methods that we use in this mini project is processor method. Processor method help in abstracting complex operation or calculation into a single well-defined function. This promotes modularity, making the code easier to understand and maintain. Next one is printer method. Similar to processor method, printer method provide way to encapsulate the detail of printing within class. The encapsulation will help in managing complexity and ensure the printing logic is contained in a single place.
This is our GUI component that we use for our project. Firstly, we use JPanel. JPanel is mostly used for all interface. We also set border layout for the panel. For example, we use grid layout and border layout. Second, we use JButton. JButton are used to connect one interface to other interface or to go back to previous interface by dispose the frame. For product GUI, we also use button to clear the data or order that has been made. Okay, third, we use JText field. JText field are mostly used in all interface. At least there are one JText field for each interface. Next, we use JPassword field. JPassword field is used in login interface specifically for password. The password will be hidden as bullet point, so other people will not know our password even when we put our password at that time. Next, we use JText array. JText array are used when to display all information about our ordered product, example like item name, quantity, and total price. And lastly, we use JLabel. We use JLabel to put all the label text for our GUI.
Platform that we use is JCreator. It's known for simplicity, efficiency, and also user-friendly features. JCreator is well suited for our Java GUI development. For the first reason why we use JCreator is because it supports swing and Java effects. So based what we have learned in the class and also the lab, we usually use swing and Java effects for to make GUI component. After that, for the second reason is that it is user-friendly interface. JCreator provides a clean and intuitive interface allowing us to focus on GUI design and coding without any unnecessary distraction. For the third reason is customization and flexibility of JCreator. So we customize the appearance of GUI components easily. For instance, we can adjust the color, background, font, and layout of button or panel according to our design preferences. After that is debugging capabilities. We utilize JCreator's debugging tools to set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through the code. Visualize how changes in the code impact the GUI in real time. Last but not least, JCreator has rich component library. It accesses a rich set of pre-built UI user interface components in JCreator. For example, we can quickly add a date picker, table, or a chart to our GUI application without extensive manual coding. For the demonstration, so we can click run on this GUI's class. After that, okay, this will pop up a window which is a login window. So we can type anything for the username and password for general purposes, or we can if we do not have any username or password, it will pop up a warning message which is please enter both of your username and password. So we can type anything. So for example, my name and my password. Oops. Okay. Okay, the total item that we have is 4 item only. And to buy the item, we can enter the number of item, which is 1, 2, 3, or 4. So for example, I want to buy a shirt, click 1. Quantity, for example, I want to buy 2 shirt. Okay, this will there in this box there will be an update for shopping cart, which is shirt and the quantity and the total price for 2 shirt. For example, okay, another example, I want to buy a sunglasses, and then we click 4, and then I went there 4 and 1. Okay, so sunglasses quantity 1, and then the total price is 100 for the sunglasses. So if we want to cancel all the shopping cart, we can click clear. Okay, so this will clear our shopping cart. And then, okay, for example, I want to proceed with buying. Okay, and then we have to enter the our personal info, which is, okay, I will name and then my number phone and then address. Okay, done. Okay, in this area we have a checking out, which is to confirm that we order two shirt and the total for RM 140 ringgit, and the total price is including the shipping fee. We can also cancel if we want to, if we don't want to check out, and we can proceed with the checkout. Okay, this is the payment confirmation which have our detail and the total price. Yes, okay, and then receipt have been changed and be saved, payment successful. Okay, we can click X, and then if we want to check the receipt, we can go to this file, and then there we go, we have a receipt. This is the history of our customer, previous customer, and this is the updated, the new one. Thank you. For the conclusions, the choice of the creator as platform for our mini projects has proven to be a strategic and also efficient decision for us. It's mostly handled the Java GUIs libraries such as Swing and Java FX, but it also has other libraries such as input and output also, giving our project a solid foundation. As we conclude, we recognize the importance of a well-suited platform in enhancing productivity and delivering a polished user